Thanks for watching ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to our news broadcast. First, a quick look at the major headlines this evening. Warm reception for national cycling team. New dam inaugurated in Mahmimet. Slovakia tells Ukraine it won't supply more arms. United States approves $2.25 billion in new arms sales to Saudi Arabia. In our domestic news, the Eritrean national cycling team, which achieved remarkable victories in both men's and women's categories at the 2024 African Continental Cycling Championship in Eldoret, Kenya, was warmly welcomed upon its arrival at the Asmara International Airport this morning. The welcoming ceremony was attended by Ambassador Zemede Takhle, Commissioner of Culture and Sports, along with officials from the Eritrean Cycling Federation and enthusiastic sports fans. President Isias Afwerki received the team members, coaches and executive staff at Adihalo. Congratulating the Eritrean people on the team's achievements, the President emphasized the importance of striving to produce not only competitors in various sports, but also winners of both quality and quantity. Ambassador Zemede highlighted that the victory was the result of the continuous support and encouragement provided by the people in the government of Eritrea. He expressed confidence to continue to achieve even greater successes in the future. The team members in turn expressed their gratitude for the warm reception and noted that the encouragement from President Isias has reinforced their determination to achieve more victories. They pledged to enhance Eritrea's reputation in international sports competitions. At the 2024 African Continental Cycling Championship, held from 9 to 13 October, Eritrea's national team won 7 gold medals, 5 silver and 4 bronze. In the overall team classification, Eritrea ranked first with 2,840 points, followed by South Africa with 1,264 points and Morocco with 1,155 points. On the international stage, Eritrea now stands 21st, marking a significant improvement from its 27th place ranking in 2023. A new dam in the Mahmimet administrative area, Qarura subzone, constructed at a cost of 4.5 million nakfa, was inaugurated on 5 October. The construction involved collaboration between local residents and members of the defense forces. Mr. Idris Ali, the subzone administrator, stated that the dam would play a vital role in addressing the water supply challenges for both people and livestock in the area. He commended everyone who contributed to the project. Engineer Sabila Asmalash, the project coordinator, explained that the dam has a capacity of 10,000 cubic meters of water. She urged the public to use the resource wisely to ensure its long-term sustainability. Lieutenant Brahatu Tedros, a member of the defense forces involved in the project, expressed satisfaction at having contributed to alleviating the water shortages in the region. He also praised the strong community involvement. Governor of the Northern Red Sea region, Ms. Asmarat Abraha, noted that the dam's construction was part of ongoing efforts to address the water supply challenges in the region. She encouraged the local community to take full responsibility for its maintenance and preservation. Efforts to expand health services in Shambuko subzone are yielding commendable results, according to a report from Nurse Takhle Zawangel, head of health facilities in the area. Nurse Takhle stated that the subzone has 5 health facilities, including a health center in the semi-urban center of Shambuko, with additional facilities in Anbori, Bimbina, Katobia and Badime administrative areas. He noted that due to focused efforts, residents now have access to quality health care close to home. In addition to regular services, the health facilities have been conducted conducting ongoing awareness campaigns on various health issues. Nurse Takhle highlighted that the number of pregnant women seeking medical treatment and delivering in healthcare facilities has increased by 60%. Those are domestic news. Please stay tuned now for the international news right after the short break. Bratislava will not supply military equipment to Kiev from its own stockpiles, but will continue to assist Ukraine in other ways, Slovak's foreign minister told his German counterpart during a visit to Berlin last week. Slovak's foreign minister stated that his country's position is consistent and clear. It will not supply Ukraine with any more military material because there is, quote-unquote, nothing left. However, the country has reportedly agreed to expand its repair base for German-supplied military equipment in Mykolaiv, near the border with Ukraine. The facility began operating at the end of 2022 and is currently used by German companies. Berlin is financing the repairs while Slovakia provides the premises and logistics. According to reports, Slovakia will continue to provide humanitarian aid to Ukraine and plans to participate in demining efforts. The Pentagon said that the State Department has authorized potential arms sales to Saudi Arabia, including tactical missiles and related equipment worth $251.8 million. Additionally, the U.S. approved the possible sale of 2,503 missiles, along with logistical support, totaling an estimated $655 million. Another approval covered a $135 million deal for 10,000 high-explosive anti-tank tracer cartridges, as well as various types of tanks and machine gun ammunition. Earlier this week, in a call with Saudi Arabia's Defense Minister Prince Khalid bin Salman, Pentagon Chief Lloyd Austin reaffirmed Washington's commitment to the kingdom's defense. Please stay tuned now for a recap of tonight's headlines. Warm reception for national cycling team. New dam inaugurated in Mahmimet. Slovakia tells Ukraine it won't supply more arms. United States approves $2.25 billion in new arms sales to Saudi Arabia. Those are news for tonight, dear viewers. It is good night from us.